What's up, guys? We're at the Kauaeranga Valley to do the Pinnacles Track.
That's where we were, all the way up top.
One of the really picturesque ones that you kind of have to do while you're in New Zealand.
Yeah,
so,
we're in the Coromandel Peninsula area.
Yeah, not to be confused with the Kauaeranga Hut Gorge.
Right.
Kauaeranga Valley.
Yeah.
Is where we're at now. Just another dock spot. It's very pretty.
Very pretty.
But we do the Pinnacles hike, which is a brutal 6-hour hike.
Pretty tough.
So many steps. It almost killed us, but we got there.
We got
it was
there.
Well worth it. Good
Yeah.
views, all that good stuff. It's a good video. Enjoy.
Yeah.
I like this view better. This is an awesome view, huh?
This is a cool. Ready?
That was close. Alright, what's up? We're at what? Kauaeranga Valley?
Kauri Valley?
It's just Kauaeranga Valley, and
Yeah.
we're doing the Kauaeranga Kauri Trail up to the Pinnacles.
Up to the Pinnacles.
Which is like a really cool, it's a real picturesque one. Like, you kind of have to do it while you're in New Zealand kind of thing. Swing bridge. Yeah, this is nice. Look at that. That's a little sturdier than some of them.
The one-person bridge?
Yeah. Yeah, this is a nice one. Billy Goat Falls. No way. Look at the bridge they made. So that thing had a vertical drop at the steepest or at the highest of 290 meters. Going up. Yeah, this is probably going to be the most packed one since Mount Cook.
Yeah.
But it's been raining every day for the last week.
And today is one Saturday.
Yeah, Saturday, and it's not raining. More steps.
A lot of climbing.
Yeah, the trail's pretty beat up. You can tell it gets a lot of traffic. More stairs, yay. This is pretty sweet. Just carved right out of the hillside. I like it. Do we have another bridge, Taylor? 10 people. The rock staircase. Whoa.
Whoa.
Guess we should look up once in a while, huh? The rock staircase sounds not fun though. I won't lie.
No,
Oh man, this one's super bouncy. Neat. Bouncy. We found the rock staircase. Yeah. You can tell Taylor's very happy. Thrilled.
we haven't done much hiking recently.
These are kind of big steps too. This took some work to build though.
Takes some work.
Good one. Active landslides, Taylor. It's unsafe. Jeez. This is brutal. Yeah, that is sweet. Alright, so we gotta go right to Pinnacles Hut. But here's the flood detour. Let's go see how bouncy it is. One person.
So bouncy, my lord. So bouncy.
Alright, GoPro. They're just hinges holding it together. So at every connection, it's just hinges. It's kind of sketchy. And then up here, it's just sitting in the ground. You know. Pretty wild. But we'll keep rolling. Gotta get up there. More stairs. This is brutal. Yeah, these are huge. More uphill, right, Taylor? More uphill. You guessed it, more stairs. Oof. One person. This one's just held together by hinges too. So bouncy. Whoa. It's bound. Yeah, these ones are cool.
That was so graceful. Oh, Lord.
Big stairs. Yeah, dude. Brutal. Whew. Now it's flat and not wet. And sunny. Big step, Taylor. Yeah, this is brutal. This is horrible.
This is horrible.
Somebody didn't like the 20 million years. Didn't like the history lesson.
Cool rock.
But it's cool. One pinnacle, huh?
Pinnacle.
Hopefully we see some more. We'll get there. It's been flat, which is nice.
Yeah, nice break.
We could use it because we did a ton of stairs there for a while. You can see that they logged it all though.
Yeah.
Like they clear cut everything. And it didn't really grow back yet. I guess it was only 100 years ago. And cherry trees take thousands of years
To grow. Yeah.
to grow big at least. I guess hundreds to get to a normal tree size. But cool looking pinnacles so far.
They are cool. That's cool.
We're uphill. Yay. Alright, made it to the hut. Do not cross the summit barrier fences. The ground on the other side is unstable. Okay. Gusting winds at the top of the pinnacles. So, we're here. We need to go up top. Where do we camp? This is where we camped.
Yes.
And the van's parked there.
Yeah.
Cool.
And then we hiked up all of this. And then we just have that left.
It's a nice hut.
That is a nice hut.
It's got a grill. It's got electricity. There's the bedroom area.
So nice.
Looks like a prison
It looks like a prison.
with a wire on it. This one's huge. Yeah, cool. See that just ribbon of people and stairs? Ooh, that's gonna be tough. It just keeps going. But that's the ocean, which is cool. How we doing, Taylor? It's a lot of steps.
Windy.
Very windy. We're gaining.
Yeah, we're getting up there.
Where are you? So so many steps. Oh boy. Whoa. That's cool.
Yeah, this is very cool.
I like it. We gotta go up there. Get after it, Taylor. Pretty tall.
Yeah, it's pretty straight up, so.
Yeah, dang. Alright, GoPro. Let's get it. OSHA would be mad. Not 3 points of contact. That's okay. We didn't fall, that's okay. Got another one, huh? Fun stuff. Alright. Pretty sure.
That's confusing.
Yeah. How is it, Taylor?
Okay.
Not bad?
Not bad.
Yeah, it's really not too bad. Oh.
It's pretty wild.
Yeah, this is pretty wild. It's just a rock scramble up this little canyon.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, it is. Oh, that one's a little loose. It'll be alright. And up that way. Yeah, that's sweet. Gotta keep going a little bit, we're almost there. Up we go. This is a big one. Oh. Ooh. Not too bad. There's a spot where one of them pulled out.
Yeah, that would have sucked.
That would suck.
Ocean.
there's the ocean still.
Yeah. Pretty wide.
Yeah. Crazy. Crazy, dude.
I don't know if you'll be able to get up there.
Big old pro. We made it. It's not gonna be able to see anything, but woo.
Woo, we made it.
I was trying to show you all of that with us in it, but you know, okay. Had a bunch of people walk right by this sign. Go over there, which I bet is a cool picture, but. Was that Taylor? You need that missing one?
Yeah, the one that's missing.
It's slick right there too.
Yeah, it is.
Jeez, this going down is kind of tough.
Yeah, going down is definitely harder than going up.
And these rungs are nice. They're slippery.
They're so slippery.
So this hike, it was like listed as a moderate climb, right, Taylor?
No, it's a steep incline, but
Steep incline. But nowhere did it warn you of rock scrambles.
rock scrambling.
Not that I've seen anyways, so.
It's kind of like intense rock scrambling. It's not
Yeah.
just like walking over some boulders here and there.
Yeah, this is pretty brutal. Okay, I'm gonna need you to hold that.
Yep. Here he goes. Bye.
Bye. Whew. Should I just slide down it all cool like?
Yeah.
I can't. No way.
Wow.
Steep. Go for it.
Ready?
That was close. Another one. Man, they're tall. There's the hut. It looks so far.
See, this is beautiful.
Yeah.
Here he goes, back down the ladder. Are we gonna try and drop GoPro again? Stay tuned.
No, this is farther.
Yeah, it is. Alright, GoPro, you get to come with me. I don't know what we're gonna be looking at. Maybe I'll show you some views. Or I'll show you myself. How's that? Hi. Whoa.
You okay?
Yeah, just distracted climbing here.
I ain't even showing them. There you go.
Distracted climbing.
What could go wrong?
Ooh.
Yeehaw. That was cool. Like, I don't think I'd do it again though.
Yeah.
It was very cool, very pretty, but
I think if we did it again, we would book the hut and
yeah, do it for sunrise. More pictures, GoPro.
Like, I think that's a good backdrop.
Cool. Oh yeah. I don't know what town that is. I'm gonna put it in the video. We'll figure it out. Alright, we're gonna eat some more food.
On that cool little helipad.
Yeah. Hopefully the helicopter comes and takes us back.
That's where we were. All the way up top.
It was easy peasy. Like, nothing to it, right, Taylor?
Nothing to it.
My legs are tired.
I know.
This is an awesome view, huh?
Yeah, this is a cool view. There are a lot of good views, like, throughout the hike.
Big tree. Can you go inside?
It's huge.
Camping there.
No. wet. This is wet.
It's gross. Back across the first bridge. So bouncy. Jeez. We're gaining. Slowly. It's 2:21. We've been going for, it's like the 5-hour mark, right? 5-hour mark.
Yeah.
Tough. We're pretty tired. On Taylor.
Yeah.
Pretty tired. Oh. We made it. There's the gorgeous van. Shoot. I'm tired.
Yeah. Hungry.
That was a tough one.
That was a tough one.
It's 3:18, so we did it in just under 6 hours.
Yeah.
But now we're gonna make some food because we're hungry. All right, I made it to camp. I'm gonna go down to the river and take a quick dip. Flowing pretty good. I think I can make that work. Flowing pretty fast. That'll do. I do wish I could have done this when the sun was out though. It's like 5 o'clock, so running a little late, but we're good. Yeehaw, guys. The pinnacles are cool. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys.
See ya.
Bye.
Danger. What are we gonna eat first?
Yeah, we're gonna eat.
The sun's black. It's shining.
What happened right there, Taylor? What'd you do?
I get very that tired.
Taylor
Took myself out.
tried stepping on my foot.
Okay, in my defense, these stairs go from being really close together to cut out. So
So it's my fault.
no.